Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be a DIY avocado and coconut milk deep conditioning hair mask. The first ingredient we're going to start off with is avocados. And avocado nourishes the hair, strengthens hair, and repairs damaged hair, and highly moisturizing to the hair strands. I was supposed to use 2 avocados, but one of my avocados got really bad, so I was just left with 1. But the next ingredient we're using aloe vera. Aloe vera contains something called proteolytic enzymes, which repairs dead skin cells on the scalp. It promotes hair growth, prevents itchy scalp, reduces dandruff, and conditions the hair. If you've never used aloe vera, it is very slimy. The texture is really slimy, and it also has like a earthy smell. After I am done using the aloe vera, some people use a knife to get the aloe vera out, but I like to use a spoon. I just felt like it's really easy for me to do. Next, I'm using the coconut milk, and I'm showing you guys the consistency. Make sure you shake the can up before you open it, but you want to make sure you have the regular coconut milk that has the fat in it, because the reason why we're using coconut milk, because it has a natural fatty acid that has extreme moisturizing effects. And how you know if it doesn't have the fat in it, because it'll usually have like coconut milk or less fat on the label. So that's when you'll know that that's not the right coconut milk you should be getting. I would also like to state that this deep conditioner has to be put in the refrigerator or in the freezer after being used and or saved for later. Due to this deep conditioner having water and also no preservative, so you want to make sure you keep it in your refrigerator at least for 5 days. I wouldn't let it stay in there more than 5 days, because it can mold, but also if you keep it in the freezer, it lasts longer. The oils that were used were castor oil, avocado oil, and grapeseed oil. Castor oil moisturizes the scalp, eases dandruff, and leaves the hair smooth and shiny. Grapeseed oil has been used for natural remedies for years. One of the popular remedies is to help with balding. I added about 5 drops of geranium essential oil. Geranium essential oil improves hair growth and promotes a healthy scalp, regulates dryness and excess oil, and the production of sebum. As you guys see in this clip, this was when I actually used 2 avocados instead of 1, and you see how creamy the texture is and how smooth it is. So next, I am using this deep conditioner on my little sister, and I'm spraying water, of course, and then rubbing that in her scalp first, and then coating her hair strands. Next, I'm starting to brush her hair from the bottom all the way to the top, and you see how her curls are defined. Now, after I rinsed her hair out, her hair was just so moisturized and so soft and so defined. Thank you all for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what you think down below. Please remember, this is a weighed out recipe. This is not a formula. This recipe was made way before I even knew about formulas. But of course, if you don't know what I'm talking about, please go watch my formulation part 1 video and you'll know all about it. Thank you all for watching this video. Have a nice day. Bye.